National Craft Month here at HSN, and we bring you the best of the best. So whether you love scrapbooking, card making, sewing, whatever it is that you enjoy doing, we're gonna make you enjoy it a little bit more. And what we have for you next is truly exciting. So many of you have already picked this up today because it is going to take all of your, like I said, scrapbooking and card making truly to the next level. So this is the Brother ScanNCut2. So this is the latest version in an HSN exclusive configuration. I can't wait to show you what you're gonna get with this. But what is this gonna do for you? It's going to draw, cut, emboss, give you the most amazing image on so many different things, from cardstock to felt, you name it. But this thing is the latest and the best when we're talking about technology. This is the only machine that has a built-in scanner, and you're gonna be able to print things wirelessly from anywhere. So we're gonna go through all of the details, but it is $50 off today. We have about 700 of these to go around. It's on flexible payments as well, so today is the day that you're getting this home on 5 Flex for $59.99. Let's get into all the details because I want you to see how much fun you're gonna have. Julie Balzer is joining us to do just that. Hi, beautiful, nice to see you.
Hey, I'm super excited to show you the Scan and Cut. It is a machine that I love and use all the time. So you can see this is the Scan and Cut. It is easy, it is portable, there's no computer, there's no wires, everything is built in. And one of the things you're getting in this exclusive bundle is the wireless card. Now, if I look at my tablet here, I have Canvas Workspace open, and this is a website that has hundreds and hundreds of free projects for you. So if I simply click on one of those projects, what's gonna come up is a picture of the finished item, a video that I can watch on how to put it together, a downloadable PDF that's gonna show me exactly how to do it, and then all the pieces that I need. Now with the wireless card, the exciting thing is I can just go ahead and tap this and ask to send it wirelessly to my Scan and Cut, so I can be sitting on the couch, hanging out, doing whatever, and it's just wirelessly going over.
That's awesome.
Isn't that cool?
That is very cool.
And then to retrieve it, everything with a Scan and Cut is easy. There's a touch screen built in. I simply push pattern, and I go to my files that have been sent over wirelessly, and my file appears right on the screen. I say, okay, cut, and then I press the start button and I walk away because this machine is ready to go. Now, the file that we're cutting, if you look here very quickly, is actually this beautiful big ornament that I have here with a moving part in the center. And the thing that I love about the Scan and Cut is I made this outside in the hallway, because with the Scan and Cut, you have everything that you need to make all kinds of magical things. Now, not only can you send designs wirelessly from Canvas Workspace, but with this bundle, you are getting a CD of 50 designs.
For free.
I know.
Purchase.
Isn't that amazing?
Only here at HSN.
So I want to show you just a few of the designs, and you can see how beautiful and intricate they are. Now I want you to remember, this is an electronic cutter. It's not a die cutter. So this tree, which is so beautiful and intricate, on the table right here, I'm going to hold this up. I have cut the same tree, but significantly larger, because you can customize. Now this is actually cut out of vinyl. You can cut out of whatever you want, and you can cut it at any size that you want. Let me show you a couple more of these really great designs. So you also have the days of the week in this beautiful font, which I think is really cool. You've got numbers, which you can use either as a stencil, negative or positive. You have all these really cool designs that I think are really neat. I particularly think the reindeer is super cute. I'm gonna do all my Christmas cards.
Cute.
Now, if you see this little vine here, remember I said you can cut it out of anything. How about cutting silicone stamp material, which is what I've done here to make my own silicone stamp. So I know, I'm gonna go ahead and print this stamp.
Wow.
You're never going to need to buy another stamp again, because look at this. I'm just gonna ink this up. And again, remember, make it any size you want. This is an electronic cutter. Any image you want.
That's awesome.
Boom, stamped image. It's super duper cute. And that again is one of the designs that you are getting for free with this bundle. But wait, let me finish, because there's even more designs that you're getting, which is amazing. So after you've used all these designs, next one up is the cards and envelopes. Now remember, this envelope is pink, but look, I cut it out of a brown piece of pattern paper, and you can see how cute it is here. It comes with all the perforations, so this is a completely functional envelope, because yes, your Scan and Cut will cut perforations, and you can even embellish it with a heart, which we drew with the Scan and Cut, because this machine will draw. And there are so many cool things that you can do. And there's even more designs, you guys. They just keep coming and coming.
Yeah.
So here's some really fun shapes you could use for cards and all kinds of things. I'm really excited about all the possibilities. And when I tell you that there are even more designs. So let's just go over this. You're going to wirelessly send designs.
Yep.
You're going to get a CD with 50 designs.
For free.
I know. Now, there are 600 designs built into this machine, and I'm going to show you that.
Wow.
I know. More than 600 built-in designs.
Okay.
So if I choose pattern, and you see this beginning screen, and it looks like maybe there aren't that many patterns, but everything here is a cover for more designs. And everything here is a cover for more designs. You can see there are 3 pages of holiday designs here. Or let's say you wanted to start at quilting. There are quilting blocks built into here, 11 pages here. I mean, there's just so many different things that you could do. So I'm gonna grab a design from the built-ins. I tend to like something a little fancy, scrolly myself. Now you can, again, customize and resize. I mean, custom is the way to go. You can make it as big as you want. You can do whatever you want because this is the Scan and Cut from Brother. It allows your imagination to soar and you to do exactly what you want.
And can I point out, Julie, the size of this screen?
Yes.
Like, it is so easy to see with this giant high-definition screen.
I agree, and that's the thing, again, like, and we're cutting vinyl now, we're cutting paper over there, and I know you have a ring of so many different materials that we can use.
I mean, I'm just sitting here as you're chatting, going through
leather, and look how thick that is.
Look how thick this is, and look at how perfectly cut that is. This is just amazing. A file folder, wool felt, are you kidding me? Of course, your scrapbook paper, your silk screened acetate chipboard.
Well, think about acetate for a second. That's stencils. Never buy a stencil again. So first of all, you're making stamps. You don't have to buy stencils, right?
You're doing it yourself.
Duct tape. That's so popular. If you have a teenage grandchild or maybe a teenager in your life at all, they love making purses out of duct tape, all kinds of things.
Glitter paper. I mean, all of it. And cut to amazing precision in whatever image you want, whether it's all the images you're getting included or whatever it is you send to the machine wirelessly.
Oh yeah, send it wirelessly.
How fun.
Yeah. Oh, also remember, you can scan in the designs that you want, because again, this is the only machine with that built-in scanner. Now let me show you how easy it is to use the vinyl. So it looks like nothing cut when you first pull it out, right? It's just a big sheet and you're like, what's going on? Well, you're gonna take, this is another value add. You get the hook and spatula tool, which are great. And what you're gonna do is you just find an empty space and you go ahead and you pull out the vinyl you don't want. Ooh. This is called weeding, and you're just gonna get rid of that and put it to the side. And we're basically gonna do that, and you actually don't have to be that gentle, which, you know, thank goodness, because I sometimes am a messy crafter. Can I confess that?
I think we all have been there.
Really messy crafter. So you can see, here's my beautiful design cut out precisely. I could never do that level of precision myself. It would be impossible. Then I'm gonna take a transfer sheet. And what is a transfer sheet? Well, it does exactly what it sounds like. It's just something that helps me transfer this vinyl off of here. So I'll put it down. And then I love to use the tools that I was born with. So here's my incredible tool. You could, of course, use a tool that comes with the Scan and Cut, and you will get this, which is a little spatula. And you can go ahead and rub it in like this. It's really up to you, whatever you want to use. And then you peel the transfer sheet up, and look how the vinyl comes right off perfectly.
Okay, that is fantastic.
It's really cool, and it means that you can do all kinds of words and stuff like that. And now I have a piece of cardstock. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to the cardstock. So I simply apply it the same way with using this incredible thumb tool that I'm lucky enough to have. I know. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take off the transfer sheet. It is seamless, if you feel that, completely seamless on there.
That is awesome.
But wait, because it gets better. So the Scan and Cut is an incredibly powerful machine, and like I said, there are so many different ways to get files. So just to say, we've sent files wirelessly. We have a CD of 50 files. There are more than 600 built-in designs. But did you know that you can also save designs into the memory of this machine?
No kidding.
Right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a file that I have saved, and not only that, the built-in scanner is gonna allow me to go ahead and scan in exactly what is on this mat, so that what I'm actually doing is we're gonna make this card that's right here.
Okay.
And what I'm gonna do is I have a card file, which is basically a rectangle with a perforation line in it. But I want to be able to choose exactly how that cuts. So that's why I wanna be able to see on the screen what I can see on the mat in full color. There it is. And then I can move my file so that it's cutting exactly where I want. And now, one of the brilliant things that I absolutely love is that everything is adjustable and fixable. So here's the blade. And if I want to change it, because before we were cutting vinyl, to cut paper, I simply turn the blade to a higher setting so it comes out a little bit. Again, and this is not tough, right? That's one finger to do that. I press OK and cut. And then I press the start button and I walk away because I can hear that the file over here has finished cutting and I want to check it out.
How incredibly fun is that? Well, while you're continuing to do amazing craft projects for us, Julie, let me please point out, as it says on your screen, those 5 flexible payments are for today only. It's $50 off for today as we celebrate National Craft Month here at HSN. It's on 5 Flex just for today. And yes, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you want to really take your crafting and your scrapbooking to the next level and you want to get it home and try it for 30 days, by all means, please do. In fact, we also have $5 fill your cart today. So if you're picking this up and you picked up the magnets earlier and all of the wonderful things that we've had throughout our hour, you will only pay a $5 flat rate for every single crafting item in your cart. All right, the big reveal.
The big reveal, because look at that beautiful intricate cut, and you can see how this makes this beautiful, you know, ornament ball that you see sitting here, which is so cool. And again, you can make this any size. You can make it teeny tiny and hang it on the tree.
Yeah.
Whatever you wanted to do. It's got that little flower hanging in the center. You can customize it to be what you want. Now I can hear the other machine is done cutting. Okay. And I always like to see what's happening.
Let's see what's happening, darling.
So I'm gonna go ahead and unload this. And now, peeling this off the mat, you could hear that. That's because this is a sticky mat. Okay. Okay. And then my perforation line is right in here. And you guys, this cut through the vinyl, it cut through the paper. And now I have the beginning of a card where essentially I have made my own pattern paper with one of the 600 built-in files, except it's shiny. And I like things that are shiny.
And it's saving the image. So you can always go back and have that own image. So if it's something that you created and you sent wirelessly, it will always have that image on file to reuse over and over again. How much fun is this gonna be for your scrapbooking and your card making, but also all those fun projects with the kids, you know, decorating the covers for their school books and things like you're looking at now. Look at how fun.
So I love this globe, and this is just a globe that I found at a discount store, right? Just like a thrift store. It was old, it was battered, just a little bit of vinyl cut with my ScanNCut and some paint. And now it's a magical conversation piece. And you can see, I mean, the intricacy of the quotes that are on here, again, like cut in gold vinyl.
Cute.
The whole thing is just so beautiful. You can make everything in your life special, you know, whether it's baby invitations or wedding invitations or anything else.
Thank you cards.
Exactly.
Now, it's pretty amazing.
That built-in scanner is actually gonna allow me to cut exactly what I see. This is called direct cut. I'm going to directly cut out these 2 labels that I see on the screen, and I'm actually gonna add an inline margin so that I'm gonna skip the black and the white and just get the pink. So all I need to do is press OK, and again, everything here is so adjustable. Just, you know, adjust the blade however you think it needs, press OK, cut, and start. And again, this is doing all the work so that I do not have to. Now, another thing that you're getting in the box that I'm excited about, and I always like, what does this look like? It's a pen tool, okay? And it's really tiny, but the way that it works, which is super easy, is you take the clear cap off here, and you simply place it right here so it doesn't get lost, because again, I'm a messy crafter. I would lose it.
So there's a place for it. That's really nice.
You push the little button at the back, okay? And then you just drop the pen in like that. You can see it's extending out. Now to put it in the machine, now that this is done cutting, I'm simply going to release the blade, lift it out, okay? Go ahead, put this in, close it up. On the screen, if I'm looking for my design, and look, I'm gonna use my finger on the screen, you can use the stylus, anything that you want. Again, from the 600 built-in designs, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a heart from here. And again, I can resize this to any size I want, but the really exciting part, and the thing that I'm super duper excited to show you, is how we can make this heart special.
Okay.
So first we're gonna make a couple of them, because that's how much I love the Scan and Cut.
Okay.
Then we're gonna press this button, which allows us to have a fill. Now what a fill does, if you look at this next screen, is it allows me to go ahead and choose, do I wanna color it in completely, almost like printing, or do I wanna have a pattern inside?
Oh.
So I'm gonna fill it with lines,
Okay.
but again, because I can customize it, I can make the lines closer, I can change the angle of the line so that maybe they're going on a diagonal, okay? Then all I need to do is load in some plain paper, but of course you could do this on top of pattern paper, you could do this on top of anything that you wanted.
Okay.
Put that right into the machine, and then instead of pressing cut, I press draw and start. And now, while that's drawing, let's look at these labels, which we cut. And you can see when I peel this out, it peels just like a sticker because we did a kiss cut. That is the precision of this blade.
Wow.
Right? And now I have this embellishment, which I can take and I can put on the front of my card, right? And again, think about this. We haven't bought anything. The Scan and Cut is making everything so easy. We just printed out that sticker,
Adorable.
the vinyl we cut, you know, whatever it is. And now I'm gonna take my embellishments, which, here you go, we drew them. You can see them on here. I'm simply going to put the blade back in. I know, this is how magic it is. I'm just gonna press cut, and now it's actually gonna cut around all those hearts that we just drew.
I mean,
I know.
That is
It's
brilliant.
amazing.
Talk about taking your scrapbooking and crafting and card making to the next level. This is so exciting and so highly anticipated. This is the ScanNCut2. This is the latest generation, and it is an HSN exclusive configuration.
Can I steal that spatula from you?
Yeah, I'm holding them. The spatula and the hook, those are coming free with your purchase today, and
you.
more than 50 designs are coming. Only here at HSN do you get all of these images included.